Hello guys! Welcome sa day 12 ng ating calorie deficit journey. So for today's video, meron tayo ditong 100 grams ng ginisang sayote na may carrots. Tapos 200 grams ng kanin. So tara, kain tayo. Ay, baon ko nga pala. Itlog ulit. So ayun lang guys, yun lang yung ating day 12. Ginisang sayote and rice. So yun, thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow, like and share, and see you on our next video. Bye bye.